Hello, concept car lovers. That is me, and hopefully it's you. Otherwise, you're watching the wrong video. This is a Hot Wheels. It's number 16 of 20 of the Realistics set from the 2005 season of Hot Wheels. Okay, and it's the Ford Shelby GR1 concept. Faster than ever, ultra fast wheels. Supplies are limited if you consider 200 million limited. Hot Wheels makes a lot of toys. So, who falls for that? Well, I guess this is marketed for 3-year-old children, so uh, I guess maybe a lot. Tells you a few other vehicles here. First edition vehicles, I see. Okay. Oh, I love the 300C Hemi. Maybe one day I'll get that. So, this concept vehicle was from the 2005 season, and oh, scale 2540. I have that already ready. That's the wheelbase that I found online. So let's take a measurement here and see. 41.3. So this number divided by 41.3 equals, yeesh. Even if I measured it incorrectly, this is way off. This is around 162 scale. Okay. So it's a wee bit big. All right. So what does Wikipedia say today? This is powered by a V10 engine from the Ford GT and 6.4 liters, making around a little over 600 horsepower. 6-speed transmission, a manual that is. And so 0 to 60 on this guy was 3.9 seconds, and it would top out at 190 miles per hour. You'll see that the bodywork is polished aluminum. Looks very chrome, very, very shiny. All right. Well, obviously, these ultra limited edition wheels don't really match the concept car. So they're okay though. The riding stance is pretty bad though. Even if I push up this axle, look at the gap between the tire and the bottom of the fender. The back's so much better. Not sure what happened with the front. This is such a shiny, shiny casting. Is this actually metal? I guess it is cool to the touch. I almost feel like it's plastic and chromed, like the base. But that is less cool to the touch. So it is die-cast metal. It just got a chrome paint finish on it. So, but it's not the smoothest paint finish, as you can see. So, yeah, my fingerprints are gonna get all over this guy. All right, well, there is a texture here. There's a vent here, and then let's see, there's some sort of probably a fuel filler there. Seems okay. There's an open window, and you can see there's a black interior with their standard Hot Wheels type of detailing, stick shift, center console. Going to the front here, we have these recesses, probably for fog lights, and the groove here, but no paint. There's actually textures in the openings here. There's no paint. Oh, but there is a Ford badge printed on, so that's nice. Yeah, it's legible. As to why it's so small, I don't know. It's obviously not centered either. Look at the roughness, though, this chrome. So, being a mainline Hot Wheels, look, you have all these pitted gouges and stuff like that. They just throw these things around in the factory, so it doesn't lend itself well to being chromed. There's a little steering wheel and all that stuff. Sky blue plastic, door cut lines up here, like a GT40. And now what is this? I guess it's on the inside. Maybe some sort of engine detail. No, but the engine's up front probably, right? Yeah, so. And actually, what is this? Oh, this is the same blue plastic as the windshield, so that's representing the vents. I guess that's alright, but I think it could have been better if it was just air passing through. Okay, this side. Just fingerprints and casting dents and dings. Yeah, okay. So the back, we have these textures here. The Ford logo is centered, looks good. And 4 exhaust pipes was in the indication that they're tubes, so that's nice. Okay, going to the bottom, super shiny chrome base. Real black of the interior shining through, riveted together. I don't know what these bumps would be for. Oh, just like diffuser vanes, maybe. Malaysia, no copyright thing. Alright, well, it is very shiny. But let me make up some wheels for this guy. Alright, we're back with some wheels like the show car has. I also have some brakes in there. But pictures show that the calipers are just like another silver color, so you can barely tell there's brakes in there at all, but they're there. And then I plus sized the tires to fill in the wheel gaps a little bit more. I also had to drill out the axle hole on this one. It was just like that before. Alright, so I drilled it out and now it can go like that. Well, you'll see when it rests. I also have some black paint in here into the grills up front as well. Here, the side there. And then it turns out those slots are the tail lights. I didn't realize that, but they are. And then some black paint there and then the exhaust tips as well. So that's it. Yeah. It's such a shiny thing. So let us take a look at a few other shiny Hot Wheels. But before that, I might as well throw up the Hot Wheels GT40 because you can clearly see the design inspiration, the headlights, the front intakes, the lights. It's almost like the whole front end is a GT40, but then the rear, it is a little bit of its own creation. Yeah. And the fact that the engine's in the front on this one, right? Okay, now back to shiny things. I got two things. The Audi Avis Quattro concept. So chrome. And then this Decatora truck with some wheels of my own design. Yeah, these things are chromed out. So yeah, this spin coaster. None of the spin coasters I have spin smoothly. So you can just see the roughness. And that's also why I don't like rolling models. It looks weird. Looks like there's an earthquake going on. Let's see, I can show an image of the original wheels here from the side. Let's do a comparison. Yeah, stands. I gotta jam that wheel up in there. I think it looks better than it did. Okay. Spin coaster up here. Okay, well, another 3D printed wheel project is done. Hopefully you guys appreciated this. If you like Fords, if you like concept cars, or Hot Wheels. I guess that's their trifecta. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.